Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. We discuss random point with layer bound and random point to whole area. If you want to create a particular selected area random point and whole area to random point number of quantity, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and we already open a layer. So we create a selected layer point. So we select it, we go to selection tool and select one polygon. After selection we go to vector and we go to research tool and we select here random point in layer bound. We click here and here is our input file and we tick selected feature only. We generate point only selected field and we give a number of point. We give here 20 number of point. After it we run it and close it. You see here random point generated and we count it. For count we click here and go to open attribute table and you see here random point 20 random point generated. And if you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and you select here point and color as per your choice and apply and OK. Your point is generated. If you want to generate point on whole area, so you unselect it. After unselect layer you go to vector layer and go to research tool and select here random point in layer bound and we select here all layer. Here is our layer and we give a number, we give 50. After 50 we run it and close it. You see here point is generated in whole area. If you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and select here symbol and color as per your choice, apply and OK. You see here your point is generated. If you want to see how many point is generated, you select it and go to table and you see here number of point 50 is generated. Here is 50 point in whole area. So our random point with layer bound and whole area is completed successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Random point is a specified polygon. For a specified polygon, it is very important. If you want to generate random point specified polygon, so please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data. For a specified polygon we select, go to selection tool and we select all polygon. We select it. After selection we go to vector and research and tool. We select here random point inside polygon and we select here input layer and tick selected feature only. After it we go to point count and click here. After it we go to editor. Here is our expression and we select here field and value. Our value is available in ID2. We double click. After it we write here expression is less than, and value here, and value 145, and after it OK, and run and close it, and you see here point is generated. Specify polygon. If you want to change color and symbology, you right click, go to property, and select here symbol and color, and apply and OK. You see here your point is generated. Specify polygon. So please like, share and subscribe my video. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. How to create hillshade. If you want to create a contour and elevation, so it is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end, and like, share and subscribe. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Let's start. Here is our image, and we create hillshade. For creating hillshade, we go to raster and select here analysis. After analysis, we select here hillshade. After hillshade, we check here azimuth 315 and altitude 45, and after it we click multi-directional shadow, and we click here. After it, run it and close it, and we check our output. Here is our output creating hillshade. You see here your hillshade is created. If you want to change color, so you right click and go to property, and you select here single band, and you select here as per color ramp your requirement. We select here turbo, and here is turbo color. As per your requirement, you select it and apply and OK. You see here your hillshade area is created successful. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.